Today we're going to be building this box, and you can open it and you can put your small items inside. You can choose any color that you want, and today I am going to be choosing these purple and blue colors. Take one paper and make sure the color that you want is facing the back side. You're going to fold it in half. Turn it to the side and fold it in half again. Oopsies. All right, then you're going to open it. And then we're going to make one corner point towards the middle. And then the opposite side point to the middle too. And then we're going to make sure this bottom side gets into the middle, like so. And do the same with the other side. And then make sure this corner gets folded down into the bottom corner. And do the same thing with the other side. And then open them up again. And these, which will now be standing up, if these points are up, then you just fold them down again. And now the next part is that you're going to fold along the corners, open it back up, fold these back up again, and then try to fold that line again. If you do, this little hangy part points out. And this might get a little tricky, but here you're going to make sure that the corners line up. Fold this little triangle. Okay, so fold this, and then along this line, back here, there's this diagonal line that you will fold along. And then inside, it will make this little triangle point. Then you just have to make sure the corners are folded, and do the same with the other side. If you look on this side, you just fold along this line, and then on the inside, there'll be this diagonal line here. Fold along that line, and then both sides are done. You just have to flip the wall that's sticking up, fold it downwards. Make sure to fold the corners so its shape is actually like a box. And then you will do the same thing with the other side. Fold it like this. Open it back up again. And again, fold along these wall lines and then fold back on that diagonal line. Same on the other side. Just fold on this diagonal line here. And then fold the top part. And there you go, your first box. Then we're going to make the lid. Just gotta fold these corners. And it is like this box here on the bottom. Now, the lid is mostly the same, but there is going to be a tiny difference. Again, the color that you want is on the back side. Fold it in half. And again. Open them back up. The point goes in. The opposite point goes in as well. And then this is the part that's a tiny bit different. When you fold it, you're going to try to make it a little bit away from the middle. As you can see, it's not right in the middle. That will make the box bigger, so it can cover the little box. That will be the bottom. Open it back up again. And then still, it's the same shape. You're going to fold this line. Open it back up. Fold along these lines. And then on the back, there's a diagonal crease that you will fold along. Same with the other side, just fold inside. There's this diagonal crease, and you will fold along it to make it like this. Flip the flap down. Same as the other side. Fold it. And then along this line, fold it again. Same with the other side, no difference. Fold it inside, along the diagonal line, fold it again, and then you will fold in the wall. That will be the complete of your box, and if you see and compare, you can kind of see that this box is bigger than this box. So if you try to put the lid on, it fits just perfectly. You can store your items in here, and I hope you enjoyed making this box. And we'll watch again next time. Bye!